Hello, I am your everyday average Jonathan. I'm an ordinary guy with ordinary tools making extraordinary items. Join me this week while I turn this and this into a pair of knockers. Hello, I am your everyday average Jonathan. I am an ordinary guy with ordinary tools making extraordinary items. So if I were to look at you and say, hey, nice knockers, would that be inappropriate? Well, in some settings it might be, but it's not today, because today that's exactly what we'll be making. Call them knockers, call them door pulls, call them towel hangers, call them horse tack hangers, or you can be like me and laugh with the devil on your shoulder and call them knockers. But it's a quick, simple build. Let's get to the shop and get started. Well, thank you for joining me for that project. That was just a lot of fun. It's a simple, short project. I hope that you enjoyed it too. Not to knock on anyone else's knockers, but it's nice to knock one out of the park. But I digress. I don't want to be the butt of anyone's jokes, even if they're just a bad knock-knock joke. Thank goodness that my building skills are slightly better than my humor, but only slightly. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, have a great week and God bless.